Hello, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Buraka. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a virus that attacks the human respiratory system. This virus is still associated with the cause of SARS and MERS, which had arrived a few years ago. Coronavirus is known to originate from Wuhan City in China and appeared in December 2019. Based on research, the danger of coronavirus can cause death. In fact, patients will experience difficulty and recovery will experience permanent damage to the lungs and antibodies. The corona outbreak virus has caused shock to the global economy, including developing countries in Asia and the Pacific. COVID-19 raised projection of global economic growth in 2020. Recently, the Economic Intelligence Unit, or AEU, cut world economic growth from 2.3% to 1.9%. Based on the AEU analysis, the quarantine policy and the currently negative sentiment of consumers and business will reduce the amount of world market demand. At the same time, closing several factories and several countries will send inventory and desert in inventory. The global economy is estimated to grow below 3% and it will have an impact on the economics on country including Indonesia. The Indonesia government itself estimates that national economic growth will not reach 5% in 2020. Weakening economic growth not only in Indonesia, there are already many other countries that have improved recession. Will the research direction of the Indonesia Center for Economic Reform, Peter Abdullah Said, if the lockdown occurs in Indonesia, the consequences are more big compared to other countries. Give the number of Indonesian work more in the informal sector, like federal street vendors, food stall, motorcycle taxis, and public transportation. They will lose income if the lockdown occurs. According to him, the government must prepare direct cash assistance to the middle to lower classes who work in the informal sector. Even so, he considered the effect of economic growth in the midst of this situation was not a problem, considering the almost all countries, not only in Indonesia, are experiencing economic decline due to this COVID-19. The extent of a corona or COVID-19 virus outbreak affects several countries affected by the virus. Most of the Indonesia people themselves have felt the impact of this COVID-19. One of the most notable effects is the limited of social activities, where some outdoor activities such as work, school, and worship must stop and temporarily diverted. The impact of the coronavirus for Indonesia itself. The perceived impact is in the form of a weakening of the rupiah against the US dollar. This can be seen from the value of the rupiah, which continues to be depressed to reach 16,165 rupiah per US dollar at the close of trade. This figure has currently been weakened when compared with the previous assessment figure of 15,712 rupiah per US dollar. The rupiah exchange rate managed to rebound and ended up appreciating 65 points or 0.39% to the level of 16,430 rupiah per US dollar. The rupiah strengthened at the close of trade due to external debt, especially unemployment data in the US, which will rise again. So the dollar index can weaken. The rupiah is projected to move in the range of 16,415 per US dollar, 16,700 rupiah per US dollar. Hopefully, the COVID-19 pandemic can be overcome and the community will be able to resume its socio-economic activities as well and can carry out social functions as a society and individuals in general, because home nature is a social creature. Thank you.